My name is Rachele Evers. I got my real estate license in 2013 and I started practicing in 2014. What got me started in real estate, like so many others, is I bought a house and I found that I couldn't stop house shopping. In addition to that, I had an experience that led me to believe that I could do that too, if you will, and that I could do it better. And here I am. I'm with NextHome One, which is my newly opened brokerage. I opened it this year, 2022. I got started partnering with Allen Edwin Homes almost right out the gate. As soon as I got licensed, one of the Allen Edwin reps reached out to me and turned out to be one of the people at the beginning of my career who was very supportive and helpful to me, and that means a lot as a new agent, especially looking back almost a decade deep in the industry, to see that I still have a relationship with that same person who, as a rep of Allen Edwin, helped me understand so many things about this business. What I most enjoy about working with Allen Edwin Homes, that's a really loaded question. The most comprehensive answer I could give you has to do with how well Allen Edwin educates my buyer clients when they are in the process of shopping for a home or even just considering buying a used home or building with Allen Edwin. The reps are knowledgeable and help my clients understand if this is the best choice for them. I feel like my clients are making informed decisions and choices. And then secondarily, when I do have a buyer who's moving forward with an Allen Edwin build or purchase, no question is left unanswered. My clients are walked through the process very smoothly with eyes wide open. It's always a positive experience, and that's what you want it to be. What has brought my clients to Allen Edwin is the amount of house that you get for the money. When you compare Allen Edwin builds, their build process is so intelligent. They are able to provide a caliber of home, a quality of lifestyle that other builders just can't touch. I get to help people fulfill their dreams. I get to walk them through what can be an emotional and complex process toward their next steps in life. What sets my business apart from others could be a really long answer, but if I had to pick one tenet that I think is the most important one, is that my clients are educated. I feel that my job is to help them understand the contracts that they're signing, what they can and can't do in certain situations, and help them extract for themselves what they want to do throughout the home buying process, and then my job is to back their play. Allen Edwin helps save me time by walking alongside my client with me through the home buying process. And what I'm trying to say is at the very beginning of a home purchase with Allen Edwin, I'm confident that my client understands up front what is to come. So there's a lot less reactionary question asking, a lot less confusion while we're halfway through the process, because expectations are set up front, understandings are clear, so there are no surprises. Allen Edwin has helped me to grow my business by providing a superior client or customer experience. So when my customers are so happy with their home purchase process with Allen Edwin, that reflects on me as their agent, as a broker, and when those clients are reaching out to me again when it comes time to sell or buy another house, there is no better compliment than a repeat customer, and Allen Edwin helps me make my people happy. It's so easy to register my buyers with Allen Edwin. I've made it a part of my process for all the agents at my brokerage. So any buyer that I work with gets registered with Allen Edwin. It makes sure that Allen Edwin and the new purchase option for home buying gets discussed, and it's so easy I'd be foolish not to do it.